Do you think you're ready to buy a home? Well, not yet if you haven't reviewed this guide. Check out this video and tell me what you think. Review the guide and see how it can help you with your next steps in purchasing a home. What do you need to know about down payments in Ontario? Well, here's everything you need to know, all wrapped up in this video. Stay tuned for more information. Hey there, it's Arash Farahani, and I'm back again with some mortgage tips. Are you in Ontario, looking to purchase a home, house hunting, but not sure what you need to do? And if you're ready to put an offer on a home, do you have your down payment ready? What do I mean by that? The one thing that always gets overlooked is the down payment. Most people are ready to buy a home, but not sure of the steps they need to take. Now, here's why the down payment matters. The down payment is one of the most important parts of buying a home. It's your initial investment into the home. It helps with shaping your mortgage, determining your monthly mortgage payments, and even how lenders view you. But a down payment isn't just enough. It's not about putting money down and moving in. There's more to it than that. There are rules, strategies, and documentation involved that can impact whether or not your mortgage gets approved. Now, here's what you need to know. Your down payment can affect whether or not you need mortgage insurance. Lenders will ask you for proof of where the money came from, hence why you need documentation. If part of your down payment is a gift, you'll require a letter. The larger the down payment, the more benefits you'll see. Lower monthly payments, more equity, and possibly better mortgage terms. At the same time, it is important not to stretch yourself too thin. While putting money down has its advantages, you want to make sure you keep a cushion for emergencies and other expenses that can come with home ownership. If you're saving for a home or trying to figure out how much you need to put down, let's talk. I've prepared a free guide for you to download all about down payments. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but I'm here to help you with your decision that fits your situation. And once you've reviewed the guide, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I look forward to connecting with you and helping you with all your mortgage needs in Ontario.